everyone. Today we're with Mr. Tan and we're going to talk about counterfeiting in China. Hello, Mr. Tan. Unfortunately, the stereotype about China is the counterfeiting capital of the East. Many of the business and the consumers are already refusing to enter China to do their business because they are afraid to see their products to be counterfeited. Are there effective methods to fight counterfeiting in China?
Yes, counterfeiting is a big problem in China in the past. However, this problem has been cracking down upon privately and publicly. Some companies will just hire private investigators and post them as workers to work in the factory that possibly may counterfeit. However, most people mistake this process. They think it's like finding a fake bag in a rural factory, and police will march in and arrest the suspects for making counterfeits. So this is why we need an effective investigation so we can truly pinpoint the source of counterfeits. Sometimes our investigators will make some tracking on some suspected targets for a long time. Some companies pay thousands of dollars to private investigation companies. However, they find nothing, not the right suspected factory or the right person, because they cannot adapt it to localized nature of China. So the most effective way is to engage with teams who are familiar with local people in the locations in which suspected factories are located. You know, 关系, or we can say relations in English, is very important in China. A well-planned investigation with local assistance will lead to the best results.
Can private businesses work together with government departments to help stop counterfeiting?
Yes, absolutely. For example, some companies and China Customs reach agreement to find counterfeits on their particular products. We hold seminars to China Customs regularly. After our seminars, when a shipment is coming out of China or entering China and officials think there are counterfeits in the shipment, they are fully aware what to look for. These are great examples that private sectors and public sector work together to find a common counterfeit. It has been effective in the past years.
What kind of precautions can a business take to protect themselves from counterfeiting?
The best way is to confirm that you have all protections for all your intellectual property rights, or we can call it IPR in China. If not, just do it as soon as possible. You know, a stitch in time saves 9. Don't wait until it is too late. In our experience, you should register your all trademarks and other relevant intellectual property rights in China. In this process, Chinese legal profession are very helpful. They can give you a complete package protection for your IPR. This will save your time and money. In addition, in-house bounty program will reward informants for advising suspicious activities. Most of the time, culprits of counterfeits are business partners, distributors, manufacturers, and employees. Design and implement such a program will have a deterrent effect. It is also very effective to marshal all your resources on the ground.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tan.
You're welcome.